So we'll start off with our generic triangle here, A, B, and C. And we're told that A is 37 degrees, side A is 20, side C is 15. And so we're solving for missing sides and angles. So first thing we may think of is, let's determine our H. And so our H in this case, sine 37 is equal to H over 15. And so H is 15 sine 37, or 9. Okay, so the A is definitely greater than the H. In other words, 20 is greater than 9. And so that's good. That indicates that are we looking for a second triangle? Well, one last check is we see, well, how do A and C relate? And we see that if we were to swing this around, A is 20, so if we were to swing it around, it would end up way out to the left. And again, that would mess up our 37 degrees, so it wouldn't fit the criteria for this triangle. So the fact that A is greater than C tells us that we only have one triangle option. Okay, so now we can go ahead and solve for it, knowing we only have to solve once. We're only dealing with one triangle. So it's the acute version over here of C. So let's work through that. Sine C over, across from that is 15, is equal to sine, well, we know the 37, and that's across from the 20. So C, and we'll make sure we're clear that we're talking angle C, is the inverse sine of 15 sine 37 over 20. And if we work that out, we come out with 26.8 degrees. All right. And so from there, we could fairly easily figure out angle B, and that would just be all triangles are 180 total, minus we were given the 37 degrees, and we just figured out the 26.8 degrees. And so the leftovers would be 116.2 degrees. All right, so that's our angle B. So we have the two angles. We're just looking for one more side. So we could carry on here, and we could just say that B over across from B we now know to be sine 116.2 is equal to 20 over sine of 37. And you could also use the cosine law from there, but this will work fine. So B is sine 116.2, 20 over sine 37. And so we work that out, and it comes out to be 30. And so there we are. We're all done.